Hi, it's Alex at LookingGlass here at ISE 2026. Today we're showing, for the first time, our 86-inch Hololuminescent Display, so HLD for short.
It looks like he's right there.
Yeah, this is our CEO, Sean, beaming in virtually. So this is a video of Sean, just shot on an iPhone, standard iPhone, and that's kind of the magic of the HLD. So the HLD takes this 3D immersive experience and it bakes it into the hardware itself so that the software can just treat it like a normal display. So this is just running off a standard digital signage solution with a standard CMS and is playing MP4 files. Full 4K resolution, the 2D content that you see here inside the 3D volume is super crisp.
Looks even extra cool with the every color looks great, but when I saw the black and white, it was like, wow. And also there, like,
so you can tint the content to change the kind of vibe and aesthetic of the display. So you can create full marketing campaigns. It's great for selling products, showing people, etc.
It's just, this guy looks like he's right there.
Yeah.
So it's popping out of the, and it would be so cool if I could have a 3D, what do you call it, AI interaction with this guy.
Yeah, so we actually have partners who have made AI avatar solutions for this display. So those are our solutions that are available today. And you can also run it off your own solution. So if you have your own digital signage solution or you have your own content that you want to run on this can just be plugged into with HDMI or DisplayPort. You can run it from Windows, Mac, BrightSign, whatever you want.
Just, if possible, beam a 4K thing to it, right?
That's right.
So just a 4K source,
exactly,
with a good GPU. So if it's an avatar, you can have like...
Yeah, you can have whatever you run on a 2D display, so it's just a 4K monitor. So whatever you're using to play that on a 2K display today, this will work at exactly the same performance. And that's kind of the magic again, is that by creating this 3D spatial effect, in a way that the software doesn't have to worry about it, you can have a really easy solution for deployment and content management.
But it really is going to be interesting to see which avatar, AI avatar, you're going to partner with, or customers are going to implement.
Yeah.
Because the potential is huge, right?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of that type of solution for this display. But we also are getting a lot of interest in, point of sale kiosks with touch, with end cap displays, with digital out of home. So just having something that's more eye-catching than a standard 2D monitor when we're surrounded by so many screens in so many places now, that's a big selling point.
So this is not a light field, right?
So the core technology that creates the 3D effect is a light field, but it's a physical component. And then the display layer that's playing the video content, that's a standard panel. And that's what makes it so simple to manage.
But the vibrancy of the light, the colors, the effect is so strong.
Yeah, so it's full brightness. This unit actually is an early system. The production systems, which will ship in June, they will be 400 to 500 nits. So ideal for retail environments. So you can have a really compelling, really eye-catching experience.
And with all these AI models and stuff happening right now, you could even produce more content for all the customers, right?
Some of this is AI. So this is actually from Google's Veo model, this one here. But we can also import 3D models. You can do logo displays.
And that's your new thing, huh? HLD.
Yes. HLD.
You invented it?
That's right. Yeah, this is our patented product. And we're working with our partners at faytech to bundle it into full solutions for our customers.
Because the technology you've been showing the last 3 or 4 years is so awesome and mind-blowingly awesome.
Yeah.
The question is, how can you impact millions of people?
Right.
And maybe this can help.
Yeah.
Right? Because if this isn't like popular malls in the middle of everything, suddenly there's a lot of people that are going to be into this.
Yeah.
And then suddenly all the other light field technologies you might come with also, will there be even more demand for that?
Yeah, that's our hope. So yeah, we've been making light field displays for years. We've been around for a little over 10 years now, actually, working on holographic display technology. And I love our light field displays. We still sell them for a lot of use cases. But we found that a lot of people really want those spatial light field displays for what we call a 3D problem, which is where you need to see 3D information with true depth in order to have key decision making happen. So I'm talking about material science, I'm talking about mapping, some of these industrial use cases, and those displays are still great for that. There's also a lot of people who really have what we call a magic problem. You want to create a really incredible experience, and this creates that magical experience for people to come see your content without the complexity required for a light field display. So you can have it be much easier to create content, deploy it, manage it, the whole 9 yards. And we hope that gets it out into the world more so that people are interested in this type of experience.
Yeah, there's so much potential with, for example, a company that has a famous CEO, for example, I don't know, Tesla or something. Yeah. And then suddenly you could interact with Elon Musk if they agree to do that, right?
Yeah.
And or it could be like another company that has a very famous person, or like in a mall, in a place that has some famous person from there.
Yeah.
And suddenly, if they agree, everybody could go to the mall to interact with that person. I think that would be cool.
Yeah, totally.
If they agree to be an AI avatar.
Yeah. Well, they can be an AI avatar, or it can be a recorded video, or it can be a live stream. Like, it can kind of be any of that. Again, it's very flexible in terms of the type of content that you can stream to it. But we really try to focus on these immersive experiences around people, characters, products, artifacts. Do a lot of stuff in museums as well, where they want to show their collection in a new and exciting way.
Maybe Uniqlo or one of these shops.
Yeah.
They have like those rooms where you try the clothes.
Yeah.
And then if you agree, you go in a special box that you get recorded.
Yeah.
And then if you win somehow something, you will be like on the screen also.
Yeah.
And people will see you with their cool clothes, and you could try to win the prize or something. Like, I don't know. There's so much potential.
Yeah. We think so too. Like my one of my colleagues, Rob, has what he calls the virtual shelf. So for retail spaces, you can have an infinite shelf of content without needing all of your product line in the store.
And do you have some interactive demos also?
Yeah, let me switch over to the interactive demos, which are just running off of, right now it's just running off of an Intel NUC, but it can run off of any Windows or Mac computer. This is running a Unity application, but again, it can be anything. It can be Unreal, it can be web apps.
It's 4K?
This is 4K, and it's using the integrated touch technology, so it has IR touch on this display. And so you can do interactions, you can select different products, you can adjust the lighting, so you can have kind of this rich interactive experience.
Wow, that's cool. And it adjusts for the whole box.
Yeah.
Nice. Because, it's not just like a white box, it's actually whatever color, light condition you want in the box.
Yeah, so you can adjust it, you can tint it, you can kind of style it to your particular content needs.
Nice. All right, this is cool. And how's your partnership with faytech?
Yeah, so we make the core holographic technology, and we're partnering with faytech to make the end enclosure, so that what they do really well, and we're really excited about working with them, is they can do custom bezels, they can have it embedded into a kiosk, any kind of needs that you have for whatever AV integration you need.
With cameras.
They can help
I want to see cameras here.
Yeah, we're
microphone that capture exactly your sound.
Yeah. So actually the production units are going to have an integrated camera, 4K camera, microphone, speakers, and the touch panel.
And the speaker need to be very audible right in front.
Yeah.
But maybe you could even have directional speakers that only for the person in front, so it doesn't...
So you could add on also other accessories if you have particular needs, and that's something that faytech and us can help you with. But the standard system will also have some functionality for that too.
And how's it going with the smaller one right here?
Yeah, we have a lot of interest around these displays. So we have 3 standard display sizes. We have the 16-inch, the 27-inch, and the 86-inch. But we can do other sizes as well. The technology is flexible. But yeah, we have a lot of interest in these for, point of sale displays. So where you're actually selecting what items you want to purchase, and also integrated in a variety of different digital signage contexts.
Nice. And Uncle Rabbit.
Uncle Rabbit, yes. Uncle Rabbit is an AI avatar that we made a few years ago.
Already.
Yeah,
that was before everybody else.
Yeah, we were early to that, and we just always felt that holographic displays give a sense of presence to characters that makes those kind of experiences more engaging and more impactful. So we're always interested in that kind of stuff, and that's why we're partnering with some groups to bring those to life.
And I guess here every week there's new potential AI models that could use your tech.
I mean, that stuff is moving so quickly right now. So content production is getting easier and more accessible. Yeah, it's a new era.